Oh my God, there is a leaf.
How did that get in there? It's a leaf.
And a piece of plastic.
What the fuck? Oh my God. Yo, someone's been using my intake as a garbage can, bro. It smells funny in there. Evan Beckerman. I love you, bro. I love you. I don't even know you, but I love you, man. Look, Evan Beckerman down in San Diego hooked me up with an AFE power intake for my E90 M3. So we're gonna install it today. It should be some fun. I've got Roberto with me from One Tire Fire. He drives a Volvo, but if you like Volvos, go follow his page.
And an S2000. Ooh.
But no, the real cool car over there is the E90. But anyway, guys,
Wow.
so we're gonna install this right now, and it should be pretty simple. It should take about 15. Oh, you son of a bitch. It should take about 15 minutes to install, maybe 30 tops. So follow along and make sure to go follow the page and subscribe because we're gonna have some fun today. Yes. Here's a cut-up tip. Make sure to bring the right tools for the job, but more importantly, the right shirt for the job.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Look at this shirt. My wife got this for me for Christmas, but I don't know where she bought it from, eBay or something, so don't worry about that. Anyway, guys, we gotta take a socket wrench. We're gonna take a torque wrench.
Off to a great start.
Is it a wrench? It's a wrench? What is this? What do you call this? Huh? It's a torque, all right?
My God.
It's a fucking disaster. Why are you watching this video?
Why does that hood go down?
I don't know. That's not
What's wrong with the hydraulics?
Yeah, good question. Okay, well, let's hope that my head's not under there when it comes down. Ooh. All right, guys, here we go. Look, take the torque, T25, and there's about 8 or 9 of these. Just follow along. Check this out. So it's very, very simple. Unscrew. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep them in there so that they don't start falling all throughout the engine bay. That's never good.
Is that magnetic?
This is not.
Wow, that blows.
I know.
What's wrong with you?
This is gear wrench, okay? Not snap-on. Give me a break.
Oh, yeah, please. That's the problem. It's
That's
not a
the problem.
You see, if you would have dropped that and that was a snap-on, you know what would break?
It'd break my heart. All right, so guys, again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8 of these, and we're gonna unscrew them, not completely, like I said. I want to keep them in their spaces when we pull them out the engine bay. We're also going to take these off. These are 6mm or 7, right there. Take off the clamps. Very simple. Okay. And there's a second one here. Look at that. And those come right off. No problem.
It looks like you know what you're doing.
It does. See, I should probably keep my mouth shut. Now, how did that happen? What is that? Is that hand sanitizer?
That's hand sanitizer.
How did that happen? Oh.
The hood came down, I told you.
Oh, that's right. The hood came down and shot hand sanitizer on the plenum.
At least that little section will be clean.
And it smells good.
Oh, gee, great, yeah.
Which is more important. Okay, you want a good smell in plenum. That's important, guys.
Oh, absolutely.
Let's try this again. This is really hot. See, you probably shouldn't turn on the car before you do this. Just to turn around. That's right. This should be coming out. Am I an idiot?
Probably.
This one isn't completely out. Now I'm almost convincing I'm almost convincing myself to take these out completely, but
you should probably take them out completely. I don't know why you're not doing that.
I was listening to Thick F30. Thank you, Thick.
Is he thick or what?
Look at this. I'm weak, bro. Okay, I think we got it. I think we finally got it. Oh! Okay.
Wow.
Did I scare you? Now this should pull out. There we go. Just like that.
There you go.
Ooh, wow.
Oh my God, there is a
How
leaf.
did that get in there?
How did it get sucked in from
Bring the camera over here. How did that get in there?
Like a leaf.
Wow. It's a leaf.
And a piece of plastic.
What the f***? Oh my God. Yo, someone's been using my intake as a garbage can, bro.
Well, I mean, it is a garbage can. So
it's true. Okay, that's hideous.
That is dirty.
I've never. Okay, wow. So interesting. Now, what is this?
You gotta pull that out.
Yeah?
Yeah, that comes off.
How? Oh, I see. So it should lift right around it.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Dude, I would say take off that one.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
yeah,
Here we go. This comes right out. Just like that. That comes right out. That is disgusting. That needed to be changed since 1997. That was before the car was even built. So that's how you know.
It was already dirty before.
It was okay, that should just push down and pull out as I remember seeing. Let's see. There it is. Okay. That comes out.
That goes in a dumpster.
Yes, straight in the dumpster. Okay, so my hands are dirty. Good to wear gloves. I don't have any, but I'm black, so that helps.
I didn't know you were a bitch.
Okay, let's see. I could probably. Ooh, wow, there's just shit lying in here. Yeah.
What is that?
Is that a rock? I don't know what that is. A piece of plastic?
What the fuck
Goodness
is that?
gracious! Now I can see why Thick F30 cleaned his stuff out because this is terrible.
What is that?
That was in my intake.
Wow.
Can you believe that? Yeah. He just throws it.
It sounded metallic, but all right.
Garbage. Yeah, it did sound metallic. Okay, so that was simple. Actually, very, very simple. So.
I told you. That's
Yeah, when they said that it should
nice
take about
shit
15 minutes. Ew.
That is no
It's
nipple
rubbish.
right
It's a
What
trying
is
to milk it.
What is that? It has to be some sensor or something.
Yeah, it's got. I mean, maybe it just holds it into place on that side.
Probably. I wouldn't know.
BMW, you tell me. Hold on, let's get that on camera.
Okay. Because John wanted to put this on first for the video. There you go.
We're gonna put the band. What the hell is that thing called? We're gonna put this. I don't know the vocabulary. Okay, I don't know the vocabulary.
What?
What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
But we're gonna put this onto this.
That's a silicone hose. That's what that's called.
See, that's why you're here. Look, I don't know all the technical names. All right, I put hand sanitizer on my plenum and then it shot out. That's the kind of person I am.
Does it fit over?
Does it fit over? See, look, we don't know what we're doing.
No, I like good cars.
Ugh. So you like good cars, but you bought two that,
I bought it as 1,000 that a lot of people like, okay?
and then a Volvo wagon.
Yeah, but the Volkswagen's fucking sick. Okay?
It's debatable. Okay, guys, so the, what the hell's it called again? Look,
What?
look, come on, teach me. Come on now, sensei.
That's a silicone hose.
That's the silicone hose is on, okay? So that's the easy part. But now normally this would be very difficult because when it's new, it's just really tight. I could make a joke there. I'm not gonna do that.
That's what she said.
But since it's been lightly used, it's a little easier to put on.
I would have thought so too. I was like, this is much easier than it looked like.
Right, exactly. All the videos I was watching were like, yo, that's gonna take forever. So this should go straight on. Again, we're gonna need a clamp. Now that's the correct name for this, right? Clamp.
Yeah, you know what I was thinking too? Like, since it's already been used, like it would have been, and this is already stretched. Like, it would be easier to put this right there, and then put this plastic piece there.
What piece right where?
If we take this hose,
Yeah.
put it on first,
Okay.
and then put this intake on the hose, because it's already been stretched, so it's already been used.
You a smart motherfucker, that's right.
There you go. Look at that. You see?
Pull the camera over here. Show them what we did instead.
All that.
Thank you.
Recommendation is I mean, if you have a used one, this will probably work. If you have a new one, this probably won't because it will be like really stiff and not stretchy. So if you have to put this on a new one over there and it has to work, then you maybe. But
Yeah.
a used one, at least.
This is way easier.
I mean, even new, I would have tried this first because this just makes more sense.
Right.
So,
Because trying to put the hose on with this attached is just way too difficult. Plus you have to maneuver your arm down like this. It's really uncomfortable. So if you could do it this way, it just makes it so much easier from the get-go. So we're gonna put the clamps on and then try to put this back on this way. See, there's not so many jokes being told right now because I'm tired and I'm stressed out. Oh shit. How is this supposed to fit in here?
That's what she said?
watch The Office.
It's
It's
a
great.
great show. Can you see this as a possibility?
Yeah.
I don't.
Just gotta get the angle right.
I suppose so, man. Because you see that?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You wanna rip that?
Oh, I'm bleeding now. Blood, sweat, and tears went into this build. Ooh, there will be blood.
That's what she said.
Ah, now I'm starting to feel the pain. It got right up in my nail. Ew. Oh, damn. Ah, there's so much blood.
Just go stop it.
I know, I really should. Anyone have a Band-Aid? Fuck it. Oh my gosh, we're so close.
Yep.
There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is.
I just fucking pushed up.
Oh my gosh. That
was fun.
Yeah. This is getting worse.
Go stop it.
Yeah. All right, to be continued.
Well, John is going to the hospital. It's in. It sounds good. I mean, I finished it. I'm not sure how John's gonna take it, but whatever. John, so tell what happened. You left and...
Yeah, I guess you finished it. Well, that's that, guys. Thanks for watching.
How about we turn this down again and then we'll show them what happened.
Now-
Hey, John, have fun.
Now, when Thick E30 or Thick F30 did this, he pointed this piece down. He said that looks ugly. Now, again, I don't think it needs to be pointed
Does
down.
it really matter when there's a heat shield right there that you can block it?
That you can't see it with? True.
Ah!
True. Now, yeah. No, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. I have OCD, so I'm like, oh, everything needs to be perfect. But does it?
No, it doesn't matter.
Are you sure?
Does it matter when you can't see it?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
But even though
It
you can't
doesn't
see
matter.
it, it doesn't mean it's not there.
It doesn't matter.
No.
It doesn't matter.
If you say so. But hey, you know what? Hold on. This could be a learning moment. So I can take this off, flip it.
Okay, there you go.
Ah,
Right, go ahead then. Be my
that's it.
guest.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Take my socket. Ah,
Yeah, just pull it off.
hold on. This little nipples right here.
No, she said.
Yeah.
Yeah, flip it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. So all we gotta do is spin her around and bring it up this way. Oh yeah, look how much nicer that looks. See?
Oh, gee,
You
great.
see,
Look how
it's a
much
good thing I showed up.
nicer.
It's a good thing I showed up.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Look how much nicer that looks.
Wow.
Damn. See,
Oh, my
Roberto?
God.
I gotta come over here and check your work.
Oh, wow.
Ah, I got my red pen. I got my red pen, and I'm just like, nope, F. You bitch. Oh shit. Oh, you're breaking shit. Okay, cool. So that looks good. So the nipple just kind of pokes now. There's nothing. It really doesn't need to be here anymore. But you know,
I don't know what that does.
Yeah,
It's just probably holds the other.
I think it just held the OEM one in. Yeah, I think that's about. Okay, that looks good. Oh yeah. And then you put the
Now this is the fun part.
you put the heat. Oh, so yes.
Oh, so yeah, look at that's the fun part. Have fun, John.
See, I don't know how.
Let's make fun of him
He's gotta
together,
he's
yeah?
gotta let me do it by myself.
Let's make fun of him together, yeah? Let's do it. Let's do it. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Over there whispering in their ear. Get a little tickle in your ass.
You know, just let us cruise him. Much more difficult.
Over there talking that shit. I think I got it. I think.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
See now you
Are
now
you
you're
sure?
Now you're scaring me. Look
Are
at
you
my
sure
face.
about that?
Look at my face. I'll tell you this. This might have not been the most informative video, okay, when it comes to doing your intake, but I'll tell you it was the most fun. Okay, fight me. It's fighting me.
It's an M3, and I like to shit on it because, you know, it's a taxi 4-door, haha, loser. But, you know, I like 2 doors, you know, but still an M3, you know, what I'm gonna say. I can't say that.
It's flush. One would even call it hella flush.
Oh, God.
Oh, I think it looks good, man.
All right, let's have a professional
Check that work.
inspect.
What you think?
Okay, it's good.
Hell yeah. After about an hour.
His hour, not my hour.
Yeah, well, yeah, collective hour. We were able to install the AFE intake from Evan Beckerman. Thank you again, my friend. Make sure to go check out throttle.com. Very cool. Not spelled the way you normally spell it. I'll put it right here. But yeah, we installed the AFE intake, and it fits up pretty nicely. It's gonna look like at first that it's impossible. Can you see this as a possibility? Trust me, okay? But once you're able to make sure to have a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, you can kind of work it and make it actually fit in there properly. And by the end of it, you'll be like, oh, it does fit. Look at that. This is an OEM BMW airbox. Who knows if it's been changed since 2008? I really hope it has been, because, well, it doesn't look like it. It's really disgusting. Yeah, the AFE intake really fit in perfectly. I mean, It actually, there's even a little indentation for right here so that you're able to avoid that. The sensor plugs in perfectly and the clamps work. I mean, everything works great. So let's go ahead and just turn it on and cross our fingers. So hopefully
It doesn't blow up or
it doesn't blow up or throw a code, yes.
It is gonna work.
It should work. It should work. But then again, it's me, so who knows?
Just get in the goddamn car.
Hey, no code.
There's no code?
No code. Nothing's being thrown. It's a clean dash, guys. Clean dash. Come on in. Yeah, look, guys. No codes. It looks good. That was the scary part. I was thinking it's gonna be like, oh, you fucked up. Like that. That just comes up in big letters. You fucked up.
Fucking Christmas shit comes out.
The only lights on here are the e-brake and the seatbelt, so that's a good thing. That's very good news. Now, let's see if we can hear it. Let's listen.
I have no idea.
I don't know. Here, take the camera over there. Maybe you can hear it better.
Can you tell?
Not from here.
I can't tell.
Stop. Vic F30, I'm sorry, I forgot your name. He mentioned you can hear a little bit when you're driving.
Oh, that's why.
When you're driving. Now, we are stationary, and there's no airflow in it, so it's not going to be making any noise. Maybe let's get on the road and try it there. Hopefully, I just look again. If it doesn't make any actual noise, it's fine. I know what I was buying. You know, you don't buy an intake and think it's going to make it sound like a jet. It's gonna make it so much faster. That's not what happens, but it's cool. And I have my little tune in my exhaust, so now I've almost got a nice little FBO. Or it's BO, being bolt-ons, not full bolt-ons. So,
12 seconds later.
all right, let's attempt a rev match.
Oh, this will be good.
Ooh, I mean,
Yeah. You won't whip it though.
Won't I?
Oh, we're gonna die now. Go ahead. I dare you. Dare you.
Oh fuck! I couldn't get it out. I'll get nervous and I'll be like,
why? Don't.
Should I?
Just fucking.
And I'm not gonna lie, I'm better at whipping it right than whipping it left.
Why?
I don't know. It's weird. Okay, now I feel like I gotta try that again. I mean, I can't leave you with that. That was weak.
Wow. Wow, look at you. Wow. Now go.
Now that was beautiful. Okay, let's get on it.
Not right here, you animal. Jesus.
Is installed properly because nothing is broken or fallen off, and we haven't been hearing any noises or smelling any smells. I don't know why.
I'm a street dancer, baby. Got no time for answer lately. You can catch me on the tollgate. I've been trapping up there lately. I'm a street dancer, baby. Got no time for answers lately. You can catch me on the tollgate. I've been trapping up there lately. I'm a street dancer, baby. I'm a street dancer, baby. I'm a street dancer, baby. I'm a street dancer. I'm a street dancer, baby. I'm a street dancer, baby. I'm a street dancer, baby. I'm a street dancer. Yo, why you mad? Girl, you knew the vibes where I'm at. Man, speaking facts. Treat the presidential like a lad. I just bought a crown. Still gon' stash a ting up in my town. Heard the feds watching cause of the illegal with surround. Bitch, I signed up for this. Word is bond. So